front of me I've got Fairphone 3. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open camera and let's begin with modes at the bottom of the screen. So we've got time-lapse, slow motion, normal video, photo, portrait, panorama and Pro. In Pro we can change brightness level, light, macro and ISO. Then we can turn on or off RAW, change picture size, timer, and go to settings. In settings we can turn on or off store location, face detection, we can change storage, and we can turn on or off AI scene detection, selfie mirror, picture size, ISO, exposure, white balance, selfie flash, shutter sound, and then we've got video quality, video duration, and video auto zoom. And last things are video stabilization, noise reduction, and video encoder. That's all for settings. Let's check how it takes pictures. And that's it for camera in this phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.